Hi, good morning Philippines, good morning world. Hello guys. How are you guys? How's my subscribers today? It is February here 24 morning. See my yard really guys. Our yard. Beautiful house. Our shade. The Philips coming here guys. Dig the
Hello. Oh, I gotta wash up here a little bit.
You wanna eat now? I make some soap.
Oh, yeah, I'll eat a little bit then. I gotta wash up.
Here, just soak your hands in the bucket here. There's water here. Just be careful your head. Because there is a wood sticking on the corner. You wanna eat now? We'll prepare food.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. No problem. Lando's coming. I wanna show you guys. I rearranged again the other day our bench here. The bamboo bench. Okay. So this is now our new setup. A bench. I put it here, all the colorful one. Then the white one is here. So I think this is a really nice setup here. So to bench, long bench in front here, then the two single chair. So in the middle is table. So if we have our guest or visitor, if they want some coffee, they can put a glass there on the table and just relax and talking. Just simple it is. So here in front, beautiful flowers. At the back is our storage water. Nice and clean. So wait, I'm going to prepare Philip food. So let's continue guys. Let's go to the garden. Never been there when Philip planting green onion. He said that he was planting already finished. I'm not sure where did he plant. So that's why let's take a look there. We have a nice shade here for the car. Look at there. The sky. Oops. Nice dry boy. So fantastic guys. Looks so good. The cabbage and cauliflower. Oh, he planted there a onion. Nice. Let's go here. So I'm pretty sure this is planted already. So this is a real garden, guys. Not just just plant vegetables, not cleaning like this. This is what you call garden. For me, that might be, there are some they call their garden not like this, but for me this is the real garden. Clean, organized, and with organic soil like the Lando and Philip here. Uy, langga! You did not change your tap, Riley.
What?
You should change your tap.
Well, I'll get another one. So, there's the mama. Yeah.
My God.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put some more.
So, I am confused where you gonna plant the pepper.
Any one of these rows. This thing is just, well, you know, it's been so long since we did this. It only takes a half a year. Like I said, look at the roots.
You know, I really like to replant some of that eggplant. Wanna dry it? Because that's really a different variety.
Come on, Lando. Because they suck so much moisture out of the ground, honey.
That's so. So maybe you can plant here the eggplant.
Yep.
I have so many bell paper there.
Well, good. We'll have them do this whole row.
No. Yeah, our garlic. Or ginger rather is. Ginger. And my gabi here.
First you gotta take the weeds out, then you gotta come in and turn it, then you gotta come in and do what I'm doing.
So this is the eggplant, guys, that I'm going to dry. We still have plenty here. But this is the one that I save it. When the eggplants coming again. So I'm going to dry this one. Because one of my subscriber requesting to me that can I dry some like this eggplant. Okay, here it is. I'm going to dry this one, guys. I'm going to tell you if this is already dry. So let's go. Nice sweet potato. Looking good here, guys. That's cauliflower there. Oh no, broccoli. And this side is cabbage. Nice garden. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Our front yard here, full of trees. Look at this flower, guys. Super cute. Gold flower. Golden flower, yellow, dark yellow. Bye everyone. Thanks again for watching, guys. Please share, like, comments, and subscribe. Oh, nice grass here. Very green grass. This one he grow fast. Before it's only few, but here start growing now. Oh my god, the puppy play my flower there. Look. Oh, shook. Oh my goodness. No more plants there, guys. Shook! Shook! I'm here. Shook! Look at them. Shook! They are so cute, puppy. Here it is. Let's try this one. Right here is so hot here. There you go. Bye. See you later.